This video demonstrates how to carry out routine cleaning maintenance on the FARGO DTC5500LMX card printer. Open both input hoppers and remove all the cards. Open the printer cartridge door. Remove the printer ribbon and the cleaning roller. Insert the empty ribbon drawer back into the printer. Remove the paper backing from both sides of the cleaning card, part number 82139. Do not remove the small liner strip if a magnetic encoding module is installed in the printer. Insert the cleaning card into the card hopper in-feed rollers as shown. On the PC or laptop, click Start. Click Devices and Printers. Right-click on the DTC5500LMX printer icon. Click Printing Preferences. Click Toolbox. Click the Clean Printer tab. Now click the Clean button. The printer now pulls in the cleaning card and starts cleaning the card transport rollers. Cleaning Printer is displayed on the printer LCD screen. When the cleaning routine completes, open the printer ribbon drawer. Open the reject hopper door and remove the cleaning card. Load the printer ribbon and the cleaning roller into the drawer. Load cards into both hoppers and close the hopper doors.